Hey guys, this is Dylan from thepoweroninternet.com, and today I'm going to talk about 3 effective sales tips from Dale Carnegie. And most of you probably know Dale Carnegie. He was an American writer, and he has created many famous courses in self-improvement, sales, public speaking, and interpersonal skills. He was born in Missouri. He wrote the bestseller How to Win Friends and Influence People. And here you can find 3 of his most effective, in my opinion, tips. The first one is listen. I will never stop highlighting the importance of active listening in the sales process. If you focus on listening to your customers, most of the time they will tell you everything you need to know to close the sale. Remember, you were not born by chance with the month and 2 years. You need to listen to what your customer have to say, and everything else will happen naturally, okay? Now, tip number 2. Arouse an eager want. Forcing your client and moving forward with your monologue is the beginning of the end of any negotiation. In fact, if your goal is to lose money or your job, this is the most effective strategy for this type of goal, okay? If instead your goal is to conclude your negotiation successfully, to close more sales, then I suggest you to adapt your conversation to the needs of your customers. Always adapt. Put yourself in the shoes of your client. Do everything you can to understand what he or she really wants and offer him or her the solution. Remember, it's not about you, it's about them. It is crucial to understand the motivation of your clients. This is the key to winning in this extraordinary profession. Tip number 3, the last tip for today, and again I'm gonna talk about this again, and I'm gonna offer you some more tips. Let customers sell themselves. Let customers sell themselves. As I said, if you listen carefully and if you genuinely care about your customers, they will tell you everything you need to know to close the deal. Show your customer that you are genuinely interested in them, and show integrity in your communication, both verbal and non-verbal. And I spoke about this, and I will talk about verbal and non-verbal communication. But if you, every time you speak with your customer, make sure you are congruent. Congruency is the key in this profession. If you are saying something but you show something opposite, it's not going to work. So make sure you are always congruent. Successful salespeople know exactly how to make customers feel comfortable and how to pursue them gently so that they feel like they have made the decision themselves, regardless of the salesperson's suggestions. And this is something that can be achieved through an intelligent use of questions. As Sam Walton says, there is only one boss, the customer, and he can fire everybody in the company, from the chairman on down, simply by spending money somewhere else. So remember, if you didn't have customers, you wouldn't be here working today. So give your customer respect, the respect he deserves, okay? And if you like this article, do not forget to share it with your friends and family. Remember, sharing is caring, okay? You have a wonderful day. See you soon.